Problem C. Find the upper and lower outlier boundaries. Part D. Are there any outliers? If so, list them. So for problem C and problem D, we can use the following formula. The IQR method for finding outliers. So for part C, we need to find the upper and lower outlier boundary. So here is the formula for upper and lower boundary. Alright, so step number 1. So this is for part C. We need to first find Q1 and Q3, but we already have in part A. So let's write them again. Q1 is 19 and Q3 is 22. So they are here, right? 19 and 22. Now step number 2, we find the IQR, the interquartile range. The formula is Q3 minus Q1. So 22 minus 19. The answer is 3. Then step number 3, we find the lower outlier boundary. Is equal Q1 minus 1.5 times IQR. Q1 is 19, 1.5 times 3. So 19 minus 4.5. And the answer is 14.5. To find the upper outlier boundary, the formula is Q3 plus 1.5 times IQR. Q3 is 19 plus 1.5. Sorry, Q3 is not 19. Q3 is 22 plus 1.5 times 3. So 22 plus 4.5, and the answer is 26.5. So that is part C. Then we answer part D. In part D again, we want to find the outlier. What is the outlier? In part 4, in step 4, it says that any data that less than the lower outlier boundary or greater than the outlier boundary will be the outlier. So the outlier boundary in this case is the interval from 14.5 to 26.5. Is the lower and the upper that we just found in part C. Now we go back to our data and we look at our data. So let's copy the number 14.5 and 26.5. Now we look at our number to see is there any number that lower than 14.5? We don't have. But do we have any number that bigger than 26.5? We do have a lot, right? So now let's look 39, 38, 36, 31. They are the numbers that more than 26.5. So we have 4 outliers in this case. They are 31, 36, 38, and 39. We will answer for part D. 31, 36, 38, and 39.